This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. It is June the 7th. We've been looking at some queen cells and stuff. I don't know if my mic is working because it's not showing anything. But we're going to show you this one. This queen is hatched. That's why the brick is turned sideways like that. But she hatched on the 16th of last month. And I marked her on the 31st. So, we're going to take this off. And put it up there. Looks like it had a couple of beetles that were running from me. Okay, this pollen patty has little worms in it. And that's beetle larvae. So we got rid of it. That was good. Taking the pollen patty out. And we'll put another pollen patty on it. If I can remember where the pollen patties went. We will find them. Come back and put these pollen patties on. We're going to take this one and put up here on this metal top. And I don't normally use them, but I have them around for things. But let's look in here now. Okay. Pick this frame up. And it has stores on it. This is all capped honey up here on both sides. And then this nectar down here. Okay. We're looking for a queen, which she might not be on this one, but I found a queen on the honey super a lot of times. People say they don't normally go over there. Well, they might normally not, but they will. A very clean bottom. So they're good hygienic bees. My bathroom looked that good. This one has, that they're building on, has some pollen and some nectar. And it had little baby bees in it. Let's see, we see a queen. Okay, this down here has got eggs and larvae in it. So we know that she's been in here in the last couple of days laying eggs. And there is one thing in here that shouldn't be in there. Look at this one. This one has drones, which is good. No drones, no queens. Right here is where she was hatched from. I think that's where she was hatched from. Somebody was hatched from there. Okay, this side here. Okay, this right here is all brood. This is pollen and nectar, and this is pollen and this is nectar down here. And get out what they can't get this part out, so really calm bees. This is thick. It's hard for me hard for me to see a queen unless I'm sitting down anyway. This one has eggs and larvae. This side here has eggs and larvae. That whole little bit there is laid out with eggs and larvae. It was put in there. It's been in there for a month because it's put in there. Not been in there longer than that. Last month, May 7th. But that's all laid up, and they don't have as much built out here because we haven't had any rain. We've had some rain here in the last week, but before that we had no rain in May, most of April. So there was nothing for them to eat. And that's why they don't grow fast. If they don't have anything to eat, kind of like people, they don't have a lot to eat, they don't grow fast. The only thing is, bees don't eat junk food. This one looks like all stores. It's got pollen and honey and nectar. This side here has the same thing. And I didn't see the queen, but I'm not going to worry about her because I did see the eggs. And if I go back through here and sit down and find her, I will let you know in the next video. This is Sam. I'm going to go back through it. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, June the 7th. And it's muggy out here again today, people. Y'all have a great one, and we'll talk with you later. I'll let you know in the next one if we find a queen. Y'all have a good one. Bye.